guys and girls, welcome back to another video. Now, the future of technology is heading wireless. These are the Syllable D900s, which are a pair of wireless earbuds which are fully wireless, and they're not actually that bad. Let's find out why after today's unboxing. Yeah, I bought them back, so yeah. Okay guys, so in front of me holds the box of the Syllable D900s, which are essentially a fully wireless pair of earphones, if that made any sense, and I'm super pumped, so I'm just gonna get straight into it. Instead of just talking about what the product does, we can basically show it. Okay, so I've taken off the wrapper, but I just want to get into it. So first up, we have the actual booklet itself, which you will probably be needing purely because you need to learn how to pair it and stuff like that. So I'll be looking at that. Let's put that to the side. Here in this bag, I do believe are the headphones or earphones itself. So let's take it out, put that to the side. Oh damn, that looks nice. Yo, the case that it comes in is actually premium. Check that out guys, if you can see that. What else do we have? We have some more ear tips, and a carrying pouch, and that is pretty much it. The earphones are in here, so we can just open this right here, and we are presented with them. Okay, these things are actually pretty good. So my first impressions are it doesn't have that much bass, but I think everything is clear. The clarity is fine. Now what I did find is sometimes the audio like faded out then faded in. I think that must be because it's pairing, so just keep these both paired and you'll be fine. But that's my first impressions, and yeah, overall they're quite good at the moment for what they have. I'm gonna test it for a few weeks and then get back to you with my review. So now we're gonna get onto that. So you just got a brief insight as to what you can expect from the Syllable D900s. Now in terms of design, they are built fairly well and don't feel flimsy at all. The shape is unique and is a lot bigger than most wired headphones, but that is to be expected because it has to fit all of its components in while sacrificing a wire. Now, with that being said, when you do place it inside your ear, it doesn't fall out, and it would be great for people like gym lads because they can go to the gym. Yeah, so like I was actually trying to say, they don't fall out easily. They actually are really good for running, exercising, and just normally like commuting to and from work or whatever you need to do. So these would definitely be a great pair of earphones. So to avoid any confusion for anyone that actually owns a pair of these earphones or is thinking about owning one, then pretty much all you need to do is basically hold this down for 4 seconds, and then you'll hear like another beep, and then you just pair it with your smartphone, and then you actually get the right ear, and then you just press that for 2 seconds, and then they'll both pair. It seems like a complicated process, but once you get the hang of it, you can easily start listening to music within 10 seconds. It's actually really quick and simple, and is easier than most other earphones that I've got to try. You just have to get used to it. In terms of battery life, I was slightly disappointed as I could only get a couple of hours out of them, but with that being said, they'll be great for anyone that like walks to school or goes onto the bus or whatever, and you only need it for a few hours per day, so these would definitely last for that. On the other hand, I really like the sleek design of the charging cradle, as it definitely adds to the premiumness of the item. Once you need to charge them, all you do is put it into the box and it charges with a standard micro USB. So in conclusion, the Syllable D900s are definitely a step up from other wireless earphones which I have tested in the past. It has a great design, good build quality, and the audio is actually really decent, not to mention the pairing doesn't take that long once you have got the hang of it. I will leave it listed in the description below for anyone that is interested in picking one of these up, and with that being said, that wraps it up for today's video. Anyway guys, that wraps it up for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a massive thumbs up. Let's try and smash 150 likes on today's video. With that being said, comment down below hashtag I need to think of one. Hashtag no more wires if you watch this far into the video, and also add me on Snapchat right here so you don't miss out on any more updates. And with that being said, I'm Hamza from Super Extreme Video, and I'll talk to you lot in the next one. Laters lads, bye.